We will guide you through how to make 3D star in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to start a drawing. Type line in the command line and press Enter. Then draw a horizontal line to use as the main reference for the star. Draw a vertical line at the required position, making it approximately 1/4 of the horizontal line length. Select the middle grip of the horizontal line and drag it upward toward the vertical line to create the basic pointed shape. Type line again and connect the end of the horizontal line to the vertical line, forming the first triangular section of the star. Change the view to a 3D view so you can work with the star geometry in 3 dimensions. Create another horizontal and vertical line using the same method as the first reference shape to establish the second section of the 3D star. Use Loft and select the corresponding lines or profiles to create a surface connecting the 2 sections. Complete the Loft operation to create the first 3-dimensional edge or point of the star. Next, type Array and select the 3D star section that you created. Choose the Polar Array option and specify the center point around which the star sections will be arranged. Set the number of items to 5 so the sections are distributed evenly around the center, creating the complete 3D star. Check the finished star from different viewing angles and use 3D if necessary to inspect the model carefully. Make sure the star points connect correctly and the overall shape looks symmetrical. Select the completed 3D star and change its color through the Properties panel to give the model the desired appearance. Finally, save the completed 3D star by pressing Ctrl+S and for future editing and reference.